guys, welcome to the Calculads. I'm Mohammed and Mason's behind the camera. So today we're going to be talking about the derivatives of inverse trigs. So first we need to memorize the six trig functions. So we have inverse sine of x, so that's going to be 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. We have cosine, the inverse of cosine, which is going to be negative, 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then you have inverse tangent of x, so that's going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. And then we have inverse of cotangent, which is going to be negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. Then inverse secant of x, which is 1 over the absolute value of x times the square root of x squared minus 1. And then the inverse of cosecant of x is going to be negative and then 1 over the absolute value of x times the square root of x squared minus 1. And you're going to have to memorize all these. So for examples, first we have f of x equals x squared times inverse sine of x. So then if you remember to one of our previous videos, we talked about the products rule. So this is what we're going to have to use in this situation, uv prime plus vu prime. So then we have, so f prime of x is going to be x squared, so that's u, and then v prime, which is going to be 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then that's going to be plus, and then then we have to take u prime, which is 2x, and then v, which is just inverse sine of x. And then we simplify it, we get x squared over the square root of 1 minus x squared plus 2x times inverse sine of x. And then for the second one, we have g of x equals cosine of x minus inverse secant of x. So then g prime is going to be just the derivative of cosine of x, which you need to remember, which is negative sine of x, and then that's going to be minus 1 over the absolute value of x times the square root of x squared minus 1. And then that'll get you the final answer. So that's it for today. Remember to subscribe to our channel.